Hello students. In the last class, we measured some items' weight by keeping on our seesaw. But today, we will measure objects by holding them in our hands. So let's see what is heavy and what is light. On the seesaw, we saw that light things goes up and heavy things goes down. So in this activity, we will also keep the hand down if the object will be heavy in weight, and if it will be light in weight, then we will keep our hand up. Firstly, I am taking these two books. One is thin and one is thick. Let's see which is heavy and which is light in weight.
Light in weight.
And which is heavy? This is heavy. So keep it down because it's heavy. And which is light? This is light, so keep it up. Next we have these two balls. One is of rubber and another, this one, it is of plastic. So tell me which one is heavy? Okay, so rubber one is heavy and which one is light? Plastic?
Yes.
Next we have a feather and a hammer. Let's see which is heavy and which is light. Now which one is heavy?
This hammer.
Hammer is heavy. And which
Yes.
one is light?
This.
Feather.
Yes.
Okay. Now I have two bottles. This one is empty and this one is filled with water. Which one is heavy, Yug?
Blue.
Blue is heavy and this red one, it's light in weight or heavy?
Light in weight.
You also try to do these experiments at your home. Now let's see what Chotu Monkey used to help Chinky and Minky. But before that, let's see who's Chinky and who's Minky. Chinky and Minky were rabbits. One day they saw a bag. It has carrots in it. You know that, children, how much they like carrots. So that Chinky and Minky started fighting. Chinky said, I will take bigger carrots. But Minky said, no, I am bigger, so I will take bigger carrots. They were fighting very badly. So Chotu Monkey came to help them and he said, stop fighting, I will help you. So Chinky Minky said to Chotu Monkey, we want to share the carrots equally between us. But some carrots are big and some are small. So how will you share these carrots equally between us? So Chotu Monkey brought something to help them. So can you guess, children, what Chotu Monkey used to help Chinky and Minky? For this, I can give you a clue. He brought a thing which a vegetable sellers used to weight their vegetables. I think now you got the answer. Yes? Yes. So Chotu Monkey used weighting balance to help Chinky and Minky to distribute the carrots equally. Children, do you know an ant can carry 10 to 50 times their own body weight? Can you carry weights like ant? No, you can't able to carry this much weight. You can easily carry up to the weight of 3 kgs. And your father, mother or your elder can easily carry up to the weight of 10 kgs. Now let's match the picture of animals with the things they can easily carry. The crow can easily carry this small leaf. This big elephant can carry these big logs. And this donkey can carry this sack of sugar. And the last one, only the dog is left. So dog can easily carry this small ball. Now it's homework time. This is your first homework. You have to draw and color 4 pair of objects of your choice. One heavy and one light. This is your second Second homework. Fill these blanks using the word lighter or heavier. Thanks for watching.